In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the cable Pallof press. All you need is a cable machine and a single handle attachment. This is a fantastic exercise that's going to work your core and also your lower back. And what we're going to be doing here is working your anti-rotational core strength. We'll get onto what that means a little bit later in the video. Two main questions I get with regards to this exercise. First one, as a trainer, is what height should the cable be? Now ultimately you want it at nipple line, so chest height. Once you then place your single handle attachment into the carabiner, you're ready to go. And the second question is, how do I know how far to come out away from the cable machine? So think of it as you've got your elbows tucked in at your start position here. You're going to take one big step out to the side with your fingers interlinked and thumbs wrapped around each other. Once you're then in that position, you've taken one big lateral side step away from the machine, you're ready to go. So keep those elbows locked into the sides. You can have a soft knee if you want to. Core and glutes engaged, looking up, chest up, and then straighten out your arms, and you want your hands to be in line with your chest at all times. Always keeping those elbows locked into the body when you return back to your start position. And you can also marry up a breathing pattern, so you can breathe in on the way out and out on the way in. Now, of course, we spoke about this being an anti-rotational core exercise. So when I'm doing this, my core and lower back have to work really hard, as well as a little bit of my shoulder stability, to be able to keep me doing this straight line with the cable. Ultimately, the weight is going to be pulling me this way. So what I would be doing is one set doing one side, and then I would do exactly the same facing the other direction. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do the Pallof press.